Good morning. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to discuss about question paper from TNPSC Tamil Nadu Extension Officer exam which was held at April 2021. We are going to see 11th sum out of 25 sum. Come on. The 11th sum is the highest number which divides the product of any three consecutive even natural number is. Again I am reading the question. The highest number which divides the product of any three consecutive even natural number is dash. Here they given us any three consecutive even natural numbers. What's the even number? Just even natural number is just, what's the even number? 2, 4, 6. And here they are asking 3 consecutive. It means 3 continuous even natural number. We know it's 2, 4, 6. And the option they given us, A is 2, B is 4, and C is 8, and D is 16. These are the options given in the question paper. So, the highest number which divides the product of any 3 consecutive even natural number. From the option, we have to find the highest number. The highest number is 16. But we have to check it out whether it's divide the multiplication of these 3 consecutive natural number. What's the multiplication of these 3? It's 2 into 4 into 6 into equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Yeah, 2 will divide this 48, but it's a small number. 4 also divide this 48. It's also a small number. 8 also divide. But here they are asking which divides the product by highest number. They are asking about highest number. So from this solution we can say 16 is the highest number. Whether 16 divide the 48, we have to check it out. Yes, 16 into 3s are 48. Am I right? Yes, 16 into 3s are 48. So from the solution we can say 16 is the highest number which divides the product of even natural number. Okay, so hence the answer is 16. Hence the answer is 16. Okay. Then we are moving to 12th sum. Here competitive exam paper has 100 questions. For which 1 mark will be awarded for each correct answer, and half mark 1/2 mark will be deducted for every wrong answer, comma 1/4 will be deducted for non-answering. Find the total mark scored by a candidate who answered 88 questions, of which 61 are correct. Okay. Again, I am reading the question. A competitive exam paper has 100 questions, for which 1 mark will be answered for each correct answer, and half mark will be deducted for every wrong answer, and 1/4 mark will be deducted for non-answering. Find the total marks scored by a candidate who answered 88 questions, of which 61 are correct. So, from the question we can say there are total 100 questions. Okay. From which 88 questions are answered. They answered 88 questions. They non-answered 12 questions. Am I right? Yes. 88 questions they answered, 12 questions are not answered. So, from the question, 1/4 will be deducted for non-answering. What? 1/4 will be deducted for non-answering. So, 12 questions are not answered. So, not answered. So, 12 into 1/4, which gives 3. Okay. From 88 question, 61 are correct. From the question, who answered 88 question, of which 61 are correct. Oh, 61 are correct means for correct answer, they will give 1 mark. So, 61 into 1, which is 61. So, what's the answer wronged? How many answers are wronged? 88 minus 61 is 27. Can you clear? 88 minus 61 is 27. And for wrong answer, half mark will be deducted. Okay, half mark will be deducted for wrong answer. So 27 into half, which is 13.5. Okay. Now totally he answered 61. Totally he answered 88. Out of 61 is correct answer. And for wrong answer we calculated as 13.5. Yes. And for not answer it's 3. So we have to add this. 61 minus 13.5 plus 3, which is 16.5. If we subtract from correct answer minus wrong answer plus not answered question, we get 44.5. Hence the answer is 44.5. Okay. Now this is the sum. It's the easiest sum, but it looks complicated while seeing the question paper. So here we conclude. If you have any doubt, please ask me. For more upcoming videos, we are going to analyze the remaining questions. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.